Hi, I'm Dr. Kim. How are you today? Hope you're good. Okay, today I want to talk about how to use four numbers. For example, you live in 1604. So maybe you want to know how is this house? Is this house good for you or not? Or maybe you have other questions, not this question. 16th of April, maybe you're leaving Singapore and you're going for maybe your overseas study and things like that. You may like to know how will you be coping. Yeah, why not? You could also use I-Ching, okay, to derive answers to your questions. Okay, so in this example I'll use 1604. Okay, so 16 would be the upper trigram because 16 is out of the range, right? Because we only have 8 trigrams, 1 to 8. So what would you need to do? You need to use 16 divided by 8. Why you did not divide by 6? You divide by 8 because 8, there are 8 trigrams, so you divide by 8. For changing line, you divide by 6 because there are 6 lines in one trigram. Okay, so the remainder would be the upper trigram. 16, right? Divide by 8, 2, you get a 0. So if remaining is 0, then it denotes 8. Okay, as I said, 0 always denotes 8 if it's the upper trigram or lower trigram. Okay, if it's changing line, then it's divided by 6. Okay, don't confuse. So for this case, 8 is the upper trigram. Okay, because 16 divided by 8, 2, you get a 0. Remember the example is 1604. Okay, so 16 is the upper trigram, 04 is the lower trigram. Okay, so obviously 4 would be the lower trigram. Okay, so 16 divided by 8, 2, 0, so we denote an 8. So 1, this is the upper trigram, so 1, 2, 3, 8 here. So this is the upper trigram. Okay, lower trigram is 1604, the example given, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we found hexagram 24 is your current situation. Okay, again, flip this book. Okay, look for hexagram 24 and look for the interpretation. Okay, so again, we always need to look for changing line, right? Because we want to know what's the outcome of the question. Okay, we know the current situation and then we look for the answers to our question, which is what's the outcome. Okay, so how do you look for changing line? Okay, so to plot the changing line for 4 numbers, it's a bit complicated. Okay, first you need to add upper trigram 8. Remember 16 divided by 8. Then we got a remainder, right, of 0. So 0 denote 8. So 8, right, plus 4. Upper trigram, which is here, right, 8 plus 4. Okay, for the changing line, right? 8 plus 4, what do we get? 12. Then we divide by 6. We did not divide by 8 because we are looking for changing line. Changing line because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 lines in one trigram. Okay, so that's why we divide by 6. And for here, we divide by 8 because we're looking for trigram. If we're looking for trigram, we divide by 8. If we're looking for changing line, you divide by 6. Okay? So in this case, trigram 8 plus trigram 4. Okay, we get a 12, then we divide by 6. Alright, then again we get a remainder 0. Now remainder 0 means number 6 is the changing line. Why the remainder 0 is not 8? Because we are looking for changing line. There are only 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. How can it be 8? There's no 7 and 8 line. How can you change the 8 line, right? So 6, we divide by 6. Make sense? Yep. Okay, so line 6 is the changing line. So remember, this is always line 1. Line 1, line 2, bottoms up. Okay, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5, line 6. If it's yin, change to yang. If it's yang, change to yin. Okay, so yeah. So this line will be a yang line. So I will have yang, in, yang. Okay, then I will look for my hexagram for my changing line. Okay, which I found. Okay, which I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, trigram 7 is the upper. Okay, the in I change to yang. Then the lower I trace. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 27 is the outcome of the question. I hope you like this video, and if you anything that I taught you in any of my video that you cannot understand, you can just leave comment right at the below of the video. Okay, then I will reply to your questions or anything you cannot understand. Okay, I hope I-Ching is helping you, and thank you. Have a good day.